Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best steam cleaner on Amazon. If you commute to work, frequently travel in your vehicle, or simply use it for errands, it can get dirty rather quickly. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. This ultra-sturdy and powerful steam cleaner for your car generates a great amount of steam, making it one of the best at removing stains and giving your car that fresh new look. It comes equipped with 1,500 watts of steam fighting power and is fully heated in about 8 minutes. We also found it releases continuous steam, so you can focus on the spots that need the most attention. The large tank holds up to 48 ounces of water, giving you around 45 minutes or so of steam cleaning capability. That's plenty of time to make sure you get a nice even clean throughout your entire vehicle. A feature we enjoyed most is how extremely mobile it is. It's built with a high-quality set of large wheels, capable of rolling along without issue. What we like about it: 1,500 watt power. Up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning. Heats up in 8 minutes. Includes 18 accessories. What we don't like about it: loud and enclosed spaces. Plastic body can come apart over time. Number 2. Wagner Spraytec On-Demand Steam Cleaner. One of the best features we found about this steam cleaner is its ability to switch between its 2 modes for a continuous release of steam. It's also easy to tell when you can start the steaming process. A green light informs you it's good to go, while a red light means the water temperature is above 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This multi-purpose steam cleaner also comes with an 11-piece accessory set included with a jet nozzle, 2 extension wands, and a handy measuring cup to help you reach deep crevices or behind small spaces to remove stains. The tank is able to hold up to 40 ounces of distilled water, giving you a lengthy running time of 45 continuous minutes. What we like about it: up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning. Includes multiple extension wands. Includes 11 accessories. Sits on wheels. What we don't like about it: not very mobile. Takes a while to heat up. Number 3. McCulloch Canister Steam Cleaner. This steam cleaner comes with 20 accessories, including an angled nozzle, scrub pad, scraper, squeegee, and nylon brushes. It has a 48-ounce water tank that heats up in approximately 12 minutes and supplies up to 90 minutes of steam. It has a 10-foot-long steam hose and 18-foot power cord. The steam pressure is 58 psi. Features include variable steam control, as well as a steam lock for continuous steam. The machine is lightweight, rolls easily, and is easy to use. It comes with 2 extenders for the wand for extra maneuverability, and overall the accessories are very useful. What we like about it: variable steam control. 90 minutes of continuous cleaning. 20 accessories. Versatile use options. What we don't like about it: accessories aren't securely fitted. Can squirt or spill water. Number 4. Comforday Multi-Purpose Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Comforday Steam Cleaner comes with 9 accessories to clean everything from your car's interior to its rims. It works on a variety of surface areas and is chemical-free. It produces pressurized steam for 15 to 20 minutes and gets as hot as 270 degrees Fahrenheit. The machine also has a safety lock and safety cap. This steamer is designed for small cleaning jobs, and it's very portable and compact. It heats up quickly, is very easy to use, and the attachments are practical. What we like about it: compact and handheld. Fits easily into tight spaces. Safety lock and cap. Includes 9 accessories. What we don't like about it: steam produced for a short time. Small water tank. Number 5. Costway Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. This steam cleaner has a 51-ounce water tank that heats up in 9 minutes to reach 226 degrees Fahrenheit. It produces up to 40 minutes of high-pressure steam. It has a trigger for continuous steam cleaning, is ETL certified, and will automatically shut off when it runs out of water or the boiler temperature gets too high. The machine comes with a 16-foot power cord, 2 extenders, and 18 accessories. The Costway steamer is powerful, sturdy, effective, and easy to use. It gets hot really fast, is easy to move around, and works well with both the extended mop and handheld steamer gun. What we like about it: high-powered, high-pressured. Up to 40 minutes of cleaning. Easy to move. Includes 18 accessories. What we don't like about it: no temperature or steam control. Handle gets hot while in use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.